Hey everyone, Diana here, and welcome back to the channel where we make learning English simple and fun. Today we're diving into the world of verbs with prepositions, focusing on the verb get. It's super versatile and can change meaning depending on the preposition used. Let's look at 10 different ways to use get with prepositions. Ready? Let's get started. Proposition #1, get up. First, let's talk about get up. This is all about rising, usually from bed. For example, I get up at 7 a.m. every day, perfect for sharing your morning routine.
Sometimes he doesn't get up from bed for days.
From there.
Proposition #2, get out. Next we have get out, which means to leave or escape. You might say, we need to get out of here before the storm hits. Use this when you're talking about leaving a place quickly.
Let's just get out of here.
Let's just get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Proposition #3, get in. Get in means to enter a place or a vehicle. Think of it like this. She got in the car and drove away. It's great for describing entering any space or vehicle.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Proposition #4, get on. Get on can mean boarding a vehicle or making progress. For instance, I need to get on the bus by 8 a.m. You can also use it like, how are you getting on with your project?
This morning, I guess he got on the wrong train.
Proposition #5, get off. Get off is all about disembarking from a vehicle. You might say, he got off the train at the wrong station. This one is handy when talking about leaving any form of transport.
They got off the train at Concord! Got on the train, and then I got off the train.
Proposition #6, get over. To get over something means to recover, like from an illness. For example, it took her a while to get over the flu. Perfect for discussing recovery from setbacks.
Yes. I'm just getting over a cold.
Proposition #7, get by. Get by means to manage or survive, often in a financial context. For instance, they're getting by on just one income. This is useful when talking about managing with limited resources.
I'll get by.
I'll get by.
Proposition #8, get through. Get through can mean to complete something or to make contact. You could say, we need to get through this report by tonight, or I finally got through to customer service.
There was no problem getting through that storm.
How would she get through the wall, though?
Proposition #9, get along. Get along means to have a good relationship. For example, do you get along well with your coworkers? It's great for discussing relationships in harmony.
Everybody gets along. You win.
We don't get along. We're not getting along.
Proposition #10, get away. Finally, get away means to escape or go on vacation. A common usage might be, we're planning to get away for the weekend. It's perfect for talking about trips or escapes.
Just need to get away, go on vacation.
My brother gets away with murder.
And that's a wrap on our video about using get with different prepositions. These phrases can really change the meaning, so it's important to use the right one. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more English tips. I'd love to know what other verbs or topics you want to learn about, so drop your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.